Hi, I'm Mike from Hobby, and if you're new to the channel, we're working our way through all 91 issues, building every piece of terrain and painting every miniature along the way. Today's issue is a big one. We're tackling a horde of Uruk-Hai, including the Berserker we'll be painting up in the painting workshop, and we'll be fighting the battle on a field fortified with palisade walls. We'll be building those in the modelling section. Let's get started on issue 27. We open on a page about the march on Helms Deep and get some info that the next few magazines are going to be focusing around siege games. The pictures as the magazine explains siege games are of a tabletop fortress that we'll be building over magazines 28, 29, 30 and 31. The magazine shows a beautiful Helms Deep model. I do want to build one for myself, but I think I'll save that for another project. The magazine introduces quite a few new rules on sieges, like moving ladders, blocking or bursting through doors. Probably too much to cover here, but I'll have the pictures on the screen. The battle game this week is Hold the Fort, and it makes use of the palisades walls we'll be creating in just a little while, and the Berserker that we'll also be painting up. The good forces have Aimer, 6 riders and 12 warriors. The evil forces have an Uruk-Hai captain, 10 Uruks with sword and shield, and 10 with pikes, along with the Berserker and 4 siege troops. So good are very outnumbered, but they will have the palisade walls as protection. For evil to win, they must kill Aimer and at least half the warriors. Good, however, keep fighting until all the Uruks are dead, leading to a draw if the Uruks get at least one of their objectives. Next we move on to Painting Workshop. We've got a full set of Uruk-Hai siege troops with this issue, but I mainly focused on what I think is the most interesting model, with the Berserker and his flaming torch. There is a separate video on how I paint him, which is linked up here if you want to see it. It was a really fun paint job and a really cool model, and an opportunity for me to try some simple OSL techniques. I love the way he turned out. It's such a cool model and a great part of the movies. Into Modelling Workshop, the Palisade Fort was our challenge this week, and it turned out to be pretty simple to execute and looks really good, but it did take a while and a lot of bamboo was cut to make those spikes. Again, the full video on how I created these is available up here. Definitely worth checking out if you wanted to create your own. And with that, we come to the end of issue 27, and it was truly a great magazine. Some fantastic minis and a great modelling workshop. Over the next few weeks, we'll be exploring issues 28, where we paint up Haldir, and what a stunning looking model this is. I really can't wait to get some paint laid down. And we begin on our first part of the castle build, with walls and corner towers. Thanks as always to everyone who comments and shares these videos as I grow the channel, and a huge thanks to my patrons for supporting me through this series. Your support and interaction is what make this epic journey truly worth it. Until next time, happy modelling, painting and battling.